Hey friends, welcome back to the Bay East Association of Realtors Grab and Go videos. Here today with another good one for you. Congratulations, you have a listing. Now you need to get those beautiful pictures you've taken into the MLS. We can upload photos for partials as well as active listings. Start by going to the Listings tab and selecting Partials for this example. Find the listing we want to add the pictures to and select Select an Action at the end of the line. From here, we can add the pictures either from Picture Administration or Maintain Partial, but Picture Administration will take you directly to the portal to upload the pictures. Select Upload Multiple Photos. Select Add Files, and find the folder in your computer with your photos of the listing. Select Start Upload and stay on the screen until the pictures finish uploading. Once the pictures are uploaded, hit Save and you're all done. Thanks for watching and see you on the next Grab and Go video.